And clean your homes. You clean your dogs, you clean your cars, you clean your ass, clean your homes. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Entrepreneurs, Joseph here. It's your boy. Today, we're gonna be doing a big job. We actually got a couple parts to this. So today we're gonna be pressure washing the front. We're gonna be using our SH, and we're gonna be showing you that in the video. We're gonna do this whole driveway in front, and we also have 900 square feet of pavers in the back that we're gonna be doing as well. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, appreciate it. See you there.
Alright, so I just want to talk about how dirty these pavers look in some areas. It's very, very dark. So I brought sodium hypochlorite with me from Pinch a Penny, and right here Nick is spraying the sodium hypochlorite mixed with a surfactant, and he is pre-treating the driveway so it can kill all the organics and all the mildew, anything that's growing in between these pavers. So he's spraying all that down. Then he gets the surface cleaner, starts going right over it. About 10 to 15 minute dwell time. And he's going right over it. Right here he's doing the entrance to the house. I was in the back doing 900 square feet in the previous video. You can check that down in the other videos. I did 900 square feet of pavers in the backyard of this house. So hey, right there, he's trying to get little bits of paint off the pavers.
Now I'm about to apply our chemical, which is SH, mixed with a surfactant, to get all this mold and this grease and grime. We got Nick back there, pressure wash the concrete, and we're gonna get this spotless for this customer, okay? We're getting the job done, man. Alright, I'm gonna let you go for the time lapse. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, man. We getting jobs out here. Orlando, Florida, Kissimmee, Florida, Poinciana, Florida. So let me know what's up, guys.